How to download Kakaotalk. So if you want to download Kakaotalk on your Android device, then first of all you need to check the internet connection. So if you have checked the internet connection and if it's stable, then you can open up your Play Store application. And now you can go for the upper right corner or upper right side, which has that search bar, and then search for Kakaotalk. And after searching, here you will have the application, right? So if you want to download, then you can simply tap on this install option, and it may take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection. And after downloading, you will have an open option on the right side. Simply tap on that open and tap on allow, and then you can simply tap on accept by accepting the app permissions, and then allow. And from here you can sign up or you can log into your account. So that's it. That's how you download and that's how you use your Kakaotalk. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.